As a project management expert, I often encounter questions from individuals and teams looking for the right tools to streamline their workflows. One query that frequently surfaces, especially from those familiar with traditional data management, is, does Smartsheet have a database? It's a valid question. When you're dealing with sheets full of tasks, deadlines, resources, and budgets, it's natural to wonder about the underlying structure that holds all this information together. While Smartsheet might appear and function like a supercharged spreadsheet, the answer to whether it has a traditional database is a bit more nuanced. Smartsheet, more than just rows and columns. At its core, Smartsheet provides a dynamic and collaborative workspace organized into sheets. These sheets, with their familiar grid-like interface of rows and columns, are where users input, organize, and track their project data. You can define column types, text, numbers, dates, drop-down lists, checkboxes, etc., apply formatting, and even create formulas, much like you would in a spreadsheet program. However, to think of Smartsheet solely as a collection of independent spreadsheets would be a significant oversimplification. The true power of Smartsheet lies in its ability to connect these individual sheets and the data within them in ways that a traditional spreadsheet simply cannot achieve. The underlying structure, not your typical relational database. While Smartsheet doesn't expose a conventional relational database like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Oracle to its users, it undeniably has a robust and sophisticated data management system operating behind the scenes. This system is what allows for the advanced functionalities that make Smartsheet a powerful project management and collaboration platform. Think of it this way. Smartsheet has its own proprietary data architecture optimized for its specific purpose, managing work, projects, and processes collaboratively. This architecture allows for features such as relationships between sheets. You can link data across different sheets using features like cell linking and cross-sheet formulas. This means that changes in one sheet can automatically update information in another, maintaining data consistency across your projects. For example, you might have a master project plan sheet that rolls up key milestones from individual task sheets. Reporting and dashboards. Smartsheet enables you to create powerful reports that aggregate data from multiple sheets based on specific criteria. Dashboards provide a visual overview of key metrics and project statuses, drawing information from various underlying sheets. This level of data consolidation and visualization goes far beyond the capabilities of standalone spreadsheets. Automation. You can set up automated workflows that trigger actions based on changes in your sheets. For instance, you can automatically send email reminders when a task is approaching its due date or move tasks between statuses based on updates. This automation relies on the system's ability to monitor and react to data changes in real time. Forms. Smartsheet forms allow you to collect data from internal or external stakeholders, and this data is automatically populated into your sheets. This seamless data capture mechanism is integrated directly with the underlying data structure. Integrations. Smartsheet can connect with a wide range of other business applications, such as Microsoft Teams, Slack, Salesforce, and Google Workspace. These integrations often involve the seamless transfer and synchronization of data between Smartsheet and these external systems, highlighting the underlying data management capabilities. Why this matters for project management. Understanding that Smartsheet has a sophisticated data management system, even if it's not a traditional database you can directly query with SQL, is crucial for effective project management. It means you can centralize project information, keep all your critical project data, tasks, timelines, budgets, resources, risks in one accessible platform. Improve collaboration. Enable team members to work on the same data simultaneously, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Enhance data accuracy. Reduce errors and inconsistencies by linking data and automating updates. Gain real-time visibility. Track progress, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions with reports and dashboards. Streamline processes, automate repetitive tasks and workflows, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic activities.